Today I'm going to talk about SHTF salvage opportunities and salvage opportunities during the economic collapse. On one of the properties I own, there's an old barrel stove. It has a Vogelzang kit on it. And this thing's rusted all to pieces, but it has salvage potential. So when we're looking at this, the door, the collar, they all have salvage potential. And even though there's surface rust and there's no paint and there's some flaking on this stuff, this can all be cleaned up either in a bead blasting cabinet or using a wire wheel or a wire brush. So looking at the back of it, you can see how rusted out the drum is. But the feet, the entire barrel drum kit is still in good shape on this. It's structurally sound. The only thing you would have to do is replace the screws, which you could get at any hardware store. These are the kind of salvage opportunities that'll be worth their weight in gold. The coming cold winter next year and the cost of heating your home, a salvage barrel drum kit or a salvage wood stove could be your way to comfort during SHTF. Please comment. We'll see you on the next video.